Hi, I'm Serena Berrywala,
And I'm Yakobe.
and both of us are fire performers and pixel flow artists. So what we did today for Salaam Souk was actually a pixel act. I did pixel hula hoop and Jacob did pixel poi.
Yeah, and this is something which is a part of a category of movement arts called flow arts. It's a mix of dance, juggling, and martial arts. And this is something that we have been doing for a long time. We have been performing for. I've started in 2014. Serena started a little later than that, and we have been doing this for a long while as professionals. This is something which is quite new in India. And we even have our own company called Indie Flow.
Through which we're actually trying to spread flow arts to India. So we teach people how to spin out of these props, but we professionally perform. And it's quite fun because a lot of people actually enjoy watching this and even practicing this art form.
Yeah, it's beautiful to watch. We can always see the energy on the audience's faces and the amazement, you know. As performers, that is what we kind of live for. So we are just done with, today we are doing a pixel act, and we are also doing a fire act, which is going to come, and that is a spectacle. This is a specially choreographed act which we've done just for this, and we can't wait for all of you to see it.
And the act that you saw today was a pixel act. Pixel act is basically, these are special LEDs which make patterns. So visually you'll see a lot of patterns coming out of the prop. Fire show is actually using different props which again make similar visuals and geometry. So I do the fire fans and Jacob does the poi, and Jacob has actually been instrumental in spreading poi in India. And yeah, we're really hoping more people get into this. It's been super nice to perform for Salaam Souk.